I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky.
And good morning! So, for today's vlog, tudluan ko kamo unsaong paghimo ng soft, crispy, and very juicy na pork chop! This recipe, guys, kinahanglan ta og pork chop, oil, salt and pepper, all-purpose flour, eggs, and of course, breadcrumbs. Amora na ato kinahanglanon to make the soft, crispy, and very juicy na fried pork chop. So, let's start! Nato buhaton, guys, is butang na nato siya sa plato. Na ako diri 6 pieces ng pork chops. Ang ako hinangon is i-dry up ra siya using the paper towels. So, I'll show you how to do it. Paper towels and magkuha lang ta. Ug ato na siya i-dry up. Inani lang hinangon para mo dry up siya. And then, another one. Tapos, ibaliw na nito siya. Para makuha sa nito ang tubig na dyan sa pork chop. Dry up. Mao niya to buhaton, magkuha lang ta og tinidor og i-press lang nato siya kanang dukdokon ba. So, after nato pag in-add to sa pork chop, pagdok-dok sa pork chop, magkuha tag salt and pepper. So, butangan na nato siya ng salt and pepper. So, after nato, guys, pagbutang ng salt and pepper sa ato pork chop, magbutang sa kitag salt and pepper sa ato itlog. And, ang ato sunod na buhaton is, magkuha lang tag pork chop, ato diri ibutang sa ato all-purpose flour. So, diin-diin na medyo siya. After pagbutang diri sa all-purpose flour, butang nato siya sa egg mixture. Ay, nako, kalisod ba? Kailangan niya siya idiin gazud para makuha niya ang kalami. And then, after sa egg, diri na po kita sa breadcrumbs. So, diin na sa medyo siya gihapon. And then, that's it. Ready to fry na. So, ako lang ibuhaton nining uban pa na pork chop, okay? And then, we can start. ngayon, since ready naman ang ato kaya habutang ra nato siya sa medium. Para di masyado masunog sab. So, let's start na ta mag-fry. Tang lang nato. Tang pork chop. Di man karadyo dako amo kaya ha. So, medyo, you know, duha is enough na siguro. Sa isa ka kaya ha. So, fry lang niyo siya. Maybe mga, I suggest guys, 2 minutes per side para dili siya ma-overcook, dili isap siya mapagod. So, I suggest 2 minutes per side. So, nakaluto na ko diri see how crispy diyon. Butang na nato dyan sa paper towels para an oil mawaya ba. Tag gunting na ako sa diri sa tunga kay para makita na ko kung may pink pa ba or waya na. So, mauna ni siya. So, kuyat ra nato kay naa pa koy duha antod na mahurot sila sa tanan pagluto nako. So, see you again. This side dish guys, nagsutay lang ko og garlic, onion, sutay ko ang carrots and green beans, and then tabutang ko rin ng salt and pepper, and that's it. Mauna ni siya ang itsura. Og ang atong pork chop, finally done. Finally, tapos na ta. So, amo na ang itsura sa ako. Fried pork chop, very crispy and juicy. And naapod mi dire potato salad. O ang among side dish na sauté carrots and green beans. So, maura to guys. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please enjoy the food.
I will. It already looks really good though.
Are you happy you have a wife like me? Who can make this? Who can make this food? Hey, answer that!
Yes. Okay.
Good.
Yes, I'm very happy. Very proud. Very thrilled.
Thank you. Hey!
I love you.
I love you too!
Okay.
Love you too!
Love you too.
Love you too!
Alright, crazy.
How is it?
It's good.
What about the taste?
For the pork chop, it's really nice. It's crispy. It's moist.
Yay!
It's definitely nice. So, nicely cooked. Very good.
Thank
With
you.
seasoning, though.
Whoa! Thank you.
You're welcome. Look, there's Charlie over there.
Darling! Say
Investigating
hi!
the oven.
Say hi! Oh my god.
Yeah, he's running.
Okay, thanks for that comment.
You're welcome.
Can you say goodbye?
Goodbye.